Ow. Oh, I didn't know it started recording. Oh. But anyways, hey everybody, my name is Mr. Krabs, and this is Finnario, and this is a very important announcement. The announcement is about XX Robot Devil XX Iffy. I know he has been making videos ever since April 2013. Wow, that long. But anyways, guess what? XX Robot Devil XX Iffy is no longer active. To tell you the truth, Finnario is XX Robot Devil XX Iffy. He just moved to a new channel since he can't use our channel to upload any videos. But anyways, yeah, so that means everything's moving to Finnario's channel. SpongePuppets Go, Robot SpongeBob, everything. So yeah, that's the announcement. XX Robot Devil XX Iffy is now Finnario. So subscribers that subscribed to XX Robot Devil XX Iffy, subscribe to Finnario. And other people that's on YouTube, subscribe to him too. So yeah. Bye-bye. That's all the announcement. This is Mr. Krabs, and I am out. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, no. Oh, come on.